Hi, I'm Chris Harrow with Keller Williams Realty. The Hilton Head area's ever-growing list of neighborhoods, amenities, and community activities can get overwhelming fast. Half a dozen oceanfront neighborhoods, at least as many marinas and equestrian communities, dozens of golf courses, and thousands of places to play tennis and pickleball. But if you're looking for a gated community with its own year-round railroad, it's a very short list. There's only one, and you found it. Welcome to Sun City Hilton Head. Sun City is unlike any other gated community in the Hilton Head area, so our drive through Sun City today is unlike any other drive home we've done so far. We're taking the train. Just one of the many trains at the model train facility at the Sun City Community Wood Shop. The roster of gated communities with their own wood shop, also a very short list. Sun City Hilton Head is where even the tiniest hobbies go to make it big. The Railroad Group is a really fun example, an amenity with its own community within the community. The Red Dam Express isn't Sun City's only train either. There's also an amazing wall-to-wall, multi-level HO train room inside the wood shop. But today, we're riding the larger garden scale track outside, where the trains are over 3 times bigger, riding 800 feet of brass rails, over 4,200 square feet of planned micro-development. Sun City began in the early 1990s, but the Sun City Railroad didn't get started until years later, in early 2015. Phase 1 was completed in the spring of 2016. Every bit as much as golf, tennis, card games, book clubs, and the incredible dog park just across the parking lot, the Sun City Railroad program is a culture and lifestyle all its own, on an exhaustive list of over $100 million in Sun City amenities. Unlike the many golf courses, 3 fitness centers, and 6 community pools, most of what we see on our drive home today was created from scratch by Sun City residents themselves. Many phases of upgrades over the years include more track, an additional trolley line, mountains, water features, live plants, dioramas, solar-powered lighting. There's even a push-button sound system. Most of the buildings and scenery are handmade by Sun City volunteers. So before you pull through the gates to join the millions of cars and golf carts that have driven Sun City roads over the decades, treat yourself to a ride on the rails. Riding with the Sun City train set, you're joining an even more select group within this 55-plus community. What better way to truly appreciate how big Sun City is than to see it from its not-so-tiny little train set? A train set designed, built, maintained, and run by neighborhood volunteers. This one G-scale train set has a variety of amenities and attractions that you just won't find in any other gated community in the Hilton Head area. I'll point out a few of those attractions along the way. Sharp little train depot there on the left. This fire station is busier than it looks. They've been fighting this blaze for years. Tragic, but not unexpected in Sun City's hot real estate market. What gated community is truly complete without its own used car lot or hot air balloon? Lots of holiday travelers at this second train depot. Crossing over this dry creek bed will weave through what is believed to be the Lowcountry's only redwood pine forest. At the Red House on the left, you can enjoy a cold soda and travel back in time to use a public payphone. Then, make your way to the general store and drugstore. Main Street's complete with a barbershop, smoke shop, toy store, post office, candy store, police station, and an entrance to the Ministry of Magic. Watch out for the hooligans. And just behind these colorful homes, you'll see Sun City's only chicken coop. There are nearly 5 million pickleball players in the United States. These are some of the smallest. Lovely water feature on the right. The schoolhouse coming up on the left, where the trees are really flourishing, much too close. The gazebo and AstroTurf lawn are a popular spot for dog lovers. And from this angle, the firefighters appear to have finally gotten that house fire under control. Some new pine seedlings on the right as we head over this charming wood bridge. You know, that large hose on the right could be a real asset to those firefighters. Tunnel. Watch your head. Watch your head. Hands and feet inside at all times, please. And that's the loop. Sun City trains run year-round, weather permitting. Friday afternoons from 1 to 3, November through March, and Friday mornings 10 to noon from April through October. If you're curious for a closer look at Sun City real estate, just call or text